Welcome back to the channel, Rep 361 Texas. If you've seen the last video, of course I revealed the city Sancho, did more of an official reveal on the truck. Today's video we're going to go over how to program the buttons in your Ram 1500, which are the garage door opening buttons, those three right there. We're going to go over how to program them to do pretty much anything that a remote can do. Those buttons are a repeater signal that repeat a remote signal. But first off, let's get into today's video, and we'll get to that in a moment. So if you didn't see, of course, in the other video, it's kind of hard to see because of lighting and stuff, but whenever I kicked the door closed on the city Sancho, I kicked a dent into it. Sad day for the truck. Its first dent. Doesn't have a scratch, ding, or dent one, sadly. I put the first dent in it. You know, this truck is extremely straight, extremely clean, never been used for anything. It's just, it's kind of sad to see that, but it is what it is. You know, I can get it out. In fact, let's go ahead and see if we can get it out right now. All right, so first thing you're gonna need is a bucket of water, and second thing you're gonna need is a plunger. You could probably get these pretty cheap at the store, but I found this one at your mom's house. You know, your mom is a very classy lady, not a trashy lady, so it's probably not very used, and you just stick that bad boy right there and bah, bah, bah. Oh, oh, oh. I kicked that door a little too hard in that video. I wasn't even trying to kick it hard. Oh, brand new. Look at that. Look at that. It's straight as an arrow. I'm cool with that. Hell yeah. Anyway, one of the other things was, whenever I first got this truck, I didn't know what this switch was for. And the other day I had it flipped on. Let me grab the keys real quick. There we go. The other day I had it flipped on, and I noticed when I hit the high beam switch, the intake made a funny noise. Listen, only with the switch on, and only when you pull the high beams back, does the intake make this noise. It's kind of strange. There's something else I noticed, but listen to this. So weird. Listen. Isn't that weird? Look at the tailgate on the Ram. And I don't know if it's a city truck thing, but do they all have one of those in it? I don't know. Tell me in the comments. I have no clue. But only when the switch is on. When the switch is off, the high beams work fine. So, kind of weird. I don't know. Still got all those weird check engine lights and stuff too, but look at that. Straight body truck again. Completely virgin, never driven. Love it. All right, so let's go ahead and hop off into what this video is about. Let's say you have LEDs inside your truck. Yeah. And you have like a remote like this, and you want the LEDs to like do different colors, maybe for your headlights or whatever. There's a way you can program these buttons to do exactly that. So first step is go ahead and turn your vehicle on. Now the battery in the Ram, for some reason in the winter, bites the dust. I have something drawing the battery down. I don't know exactly what it is, and I'm not joking around. I have no clue what it is, because I'm on my like 4th battery in the last 2 years and I can't figure it out. I'm gonna start diagnosing that now that I realize that it's obviously an issue, right? You would have thought by the 2nd or 3rd one I would have caught on, but I've been very busy. So getting into how to program these buttons to do whatever you want, what you want to do is turn the vehicle on, and oh, here's another cool hack. If you don't want to pull your keys out of the ignition, hit that little switch on your key fob. If you have keys and you're the pull boy guy like me, then you could just pop this little guy out, this little guy, and your key stays in your ignition, so you can like open a mailbox or open a lock or whatever. You all shut your truck off. What you need to do is to program these buttons with whatever you want. You press and hold them. It'll say channel transmitting, and then it'll go to, I think, channel programming here in a second on your dash if you have a digital dash. If not, you just need to do what you need to do. So it says channel transmitting. There it is, channel training. Now you're gonna train that, and you hold the button that you want that button to mimic at the same time, and it says channel trained. So I just hit the open button on my electric cutout and programmed it to this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this one and hold it. I think it's like 20 seconds. I'm not really counting. We can count together. I think you start with 1, 2, right? 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. I'm horrible at this counting thing. All right, there it is. It says channel 2 training, so I'm gonna use the close button as the second channel. You have to do them separately because they're two totally different commands, right? So it says channel 2 trained. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna set that here. Of course, this hand is holding the camera, right? So now that's opening my exhaust cutout, and this is closing my exhaust cutout. Pretty badass, huh? So now I have my exhaust cutout programmed to my garage door buttons in my truck. Here we go again. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that button. I hit this other button right here. Oh yeah, much better, much better. All right guys, well I know that was a short-lived video, but the Ram is on the side burner again, and so is the City Sancho. All I've been doing is working. I plan to do more with the City Sancho, of course, and I plan to do more with the Ram. But like I said, work's just been crazy. And also we're looking at moving here pretty soon, so we're gonna be moving here in the next couple weeks. So nothing's really changed with the Ram. I am gonna be getting a different catch can on it. All right, for the longest time I've been using this catch can. It's actually the first thing I put on the Ram was this Amazon catch can. I think it was $120 or something like that. It was one of the higher end ones, even though Amazon's known for kind of cheaper quality stuff. It's just getting to the point where I keep getting vacuum codes. I think it's leaking in this area, but I'm not sure. I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it. I want to start cleaning the engine bay up. It looks like hell in there and I'm about tired of it. We'll get that new Mighty Mouse catch can on there here within the next week or two. May film a vlog, may not. I don't think it's really anything too interesting for anybody. City Sancho is just staying its typical shitty ass work truck vibes. I did throw some new tires on the back after I made that little reveal video. The original tires just were hating life, especially if I wanted to do anything over 70 miles an hour. So I got the reflective tape put on the tailgate. I don't know if you've seen that. Got my vests and hard hats in there. Completely useless, but you're supposed to wear them when you're driving it, because I mean, what would a city truck be without the vests and hard hats? Anyway, that's really all I have for today. Shout out to Nitrous Express for providing the bottle. And I don't know, dude, it's weird. This truck just came with all this stuff on it. Anyway guys, appreciate you watching. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to stay tuned for more content, because there is more coming, I swear to you. Other than that, Rep 361 Texas, we're out.
In my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed, all the squad here to play, and I've got